how to cook bula-bula in Austrian style. Okay, yun ang tawag nila dito ay Faschiertes Fleisch or Faschiertes Leibchen. Enjoy watching. Thank you. Ito na guys yung mix na giniling baka at baboy na karne. Ihalo lang yan sa bawang at sa breadcrumbs at ilagyan kunti ng full milk. Kunti lang. And then, lagyan ng asin. And then, mayoran later on. Mayoran, ganyan o. Mayoram. Damihan ang mayoram. Dami. Okay. And then, yung breadcrumbs din na fine. Yung refined na breadcrumbs. Kahit ganyan lang ka, dami. Tama na yun. Dinihalo lang yan. Okay? Moment. Guys, dagdagan ko ng parsley or petersil. Sayang wala akong fresh. Kaya itong frozen na lang. And then, mix them together. Ito guys, sinalo ko na sila lahat. Ginawa ko na bula-bula. At itong isa, depende sa inyo kung lagyan nyo pa ng refined o yan na breadcrumbs o hindi na. Pareho lang naman eh. Okay. Then fry guys. So guys, my minced patties is finished. You can serve it with rice, of course, or squashed potatoes, or even bread. So, hope you like my video for this Faschiertes Leibchen or minced patties. Thank you guys. Goodbye.